Hi. She's Linda, I'm Tony, and we are
The Happy Vampers. So what are we doing today, Tony?
Well, the weather's supposed to be improving, so we're going to fit the fans on the roof.
Well, this is our first delivery of big boxes. They are going to get bigger, but this is the first opening.
Big box first. Fan Deluxe. Yay! A remote control somewhere.
And the instructions, which we need to look at. No, it won't work till it's plugged in, love.
Oh.
It's the wrong way around.
Oh. I don't know if it will work.
Yeah.
Not working. Not working. Send it back. Send it back. The first thing it says is to be fitted by a competent person.
Oh, we'll have to try and find one of those.
It's only us. We'll have to do. It's like Christmas when your parents tell you what you're getting, because we know what it is.
Can you tell what it is yet?
You ready? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look! Packaging. What have we got here, do you think? What's this? It is 10 tubes of sticker flex.
Hey.
It says 12 on the box, but there's 10 in it. And then we've got this. What's this going to be, folks? Oh, more knives now. Do you open this one?
No, you're doing a fabulous job. It's quite big, isn't it?
A round thing. Thing like that. And then a thingy thing. Like that. So that's a pop-up roof vent.
That's to go in place of the swivelly round fan that we've got on the roof.
Pops up, the fan goes bzzz and spins around. And there goes that and shuts again.
Hey. So what have you done?
I've cleaned the roof.
Yeah.
Well, I've took the fan off, cleaned the roof, and I've just marked the inside using this template.
Right.
So I'm going to drill a hole, make that one a bit bigger, drill another one there, another one there, another one there, and use this on top to mark round. And then Linda's going to sellotape a bag under it. I'm going to put some tape around the top. I'm going to mark it using this template. I'm going to cut the jigsaw. Simple. Simples.
Simples. So we're putting this fan in. today. Because there was a fan there already. Just a ventilation fan that kept spinning round. So we decided to make the hole bigger and put one of those in. We have a hole, our first cut. Hello, Donny. There's got some blue sky behind.
So we've cut the hole in the roof for the back dome fan. Drill the holes for the screws to go through so that Linda can paint them.
Sexy look. Has been cut out. You can see the sky.
Yeah, it's close to that, no problem.
And now we're just sticking some butyl tape down, and then we'll get screwing.
Mrs. Hoo-ah. That's a Maxx fan dome in. Right, pull it shut. Pull it. Push it up then. Pull it down. Hey.
The moment of truth.
Okay, so we'll open it. And this weird, wonderful world of Maxx air fans, black is positive and white is negative, would you believe? Which is probably right. After that. Hold on, it's sucking me out the window.
Oh no!
I don't drawn air in, I'm pushing the air out. Just drawing it in.
Drawing it in.
That's what you want at night, isn't it, really? I suppose, cooler.
No. Yes, you can feel the draft. It's a very warm day today.
Well, you could have it set up on a reversible thing so that have it going either way. But it's not built to do that, it's built to run one way, I think.
I don't know.
We'll read the instructions after a
We'll
change.
read the instructions because we haven't read the instructions yet. So I think we need to read the instructions. If it works and it goes off and on, we just need to see if the lights work.
There you go, why. So I've drilled some power holes in the corners. I'm going to go through with a bigger drill. I'll join the corners up with me marker, and then jigsaw through it. Happy days. I need to start putting some stuff in here.
There's still some blue sky. Bit more?
Oh, yeah. Used to go to that black line, definitely.
Yeah.
There's plenty of paint on.
Getting plenty. I'm going to pass the frame up. Oh. No front and back, is there?
No, we've been through it about 10 times.
Make sure that you have your
just
the
goes
clips
this
on
way.
the edges.
But there needs to be in that gap for sure
Right.
before I put it down, because once it sticks in this beetle tape,
It won't move.
it won't move. And I can't see.
Right, I'll wait a minute. screws are going in now. And as you can see, all the butyl tape squashed through nicely, and the sticker flex, so it sealed all that gap up. And there, the Maxx fan is in place with the 2 wires dangling. Tommy's on the roof. See if I can get a video of him. I'll watch him getting covered in sticker flex.
Thank you. They're right, you've got to use something to line these up with. Probably because it pulls it down under the hose and it's in. I think. Of course you end up with needle and everything that's sticking in it.
Tony
Yeah.
is going to take the film off. Hey! Ta-da! Oh, there we go. One job done. Oh, 2 jobs done. You can see we've done the Maxx fan at the back. The small one. So Tony's going to test it now. See if it works. Oh. It goes both ways. And then that should open and close there. Right, go and see if it works. So that opens it without the fan going. And then, yeah, remote controls work. We've got different, oh gosh, it's very breezy. We've got different settings.
So it's set for air coming in now, so we should keep that going in. Air going out, so it'll stop by itself. Set these up as setting it to come on with temperatures like that, so at the minute the set temperatures 28 degrees, 27, 26. Temperature's 23 degrees in here.
Right. So 23 degrees in the van. We thought the weather wouldn't hold for us putting the Maxx fan in, but it has done. So that's another job ticked off our list. Another box less in the house.
What are we doing next then, Linda?
I don't know, Tony. What are we going to do next?
Yeah, well, we'll see.
We've still got the acoustic thermal liners to put on.
Yeah.
We'll put both the fans in.
Yep.
We'll put the reversing camera in.
Yep.
We'll put the flooring in.
Yep.
We need to put the windows in.
We're waiting for one to arrive because it was damaged and got sent back. And we also can run the cables through for the electrics. So So
Yeah.
we've got to get some conduit, some white.
Yeah, and we have to order water tank. We have to order the heating system, and then we know exactly where they're going to fit in the van. Because at the moment we don't really know where they're actually going to fit.
No.
What else have we got to do? Loads to do. I think we did really well today because it kept looking like it was going to pour down.
And it didn't.
No,
Surprise,
we were really surprised. Alexa did say that it was going to thunderstorm,
Mhm.
so we were quite lucky to get it in before Alexa's thunderstorm came.
So yeah, so that's where we're at the moment.
Yeah, we're not going to bore you or ourselves anymore. We'll do another video
Next time.
when we decide what we're going to do next.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Da da da.
Da 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 da. We'll have to take the yellow covers off.
Dee